Hi guys, we are OnePlus global distributor. We are Xiaomi global distributor. We supply with OnePlus smartphone and Xiaomi smartphones. We can deliver OnePlus global version smartphones and Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarded address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. We can make free import duty, free tax, free VAT to Europe Union countries by fast shipping. If you like the phone, you can place as the order directly. I will put a order link below the video. If you want to make B2B business of OnePlus and Xiaomi products, you can contact with us. Okay, now let's go into unboxing and review OnePlus 6T. It is 6.41 inch optical and mono LED, 19.5 to 9 radio, 402 ppi density. Its from glasses is 6th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Let's enter into the menu. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core, 2.8 GHz. Now we had to enter into the menu. Memory storage have 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM. Its front camera is 16 megapixel, f2.0 aperture, and its main camera are dual camera. 16 megapixel f1.7 aperture and 20 megapixel f1.7 aperture. Let me show you the camera. You can see the phone camera quality. Let's make a photo. You can see the details. It supports dual nano SIM card. It doesn't support micro SD card. Here's Type-C to USB port. Its battery built-in is 3700 mAh battery built-in. Supports 20 watt fast battery charging. And it supports fingerprint under the display. Here's a fingerprint sensor under the display. And supports NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Bluetooth 5.0. The phone color have purple color, black, midnight black color, and midnight black color. This one is midnight black color. Water drop display. Google application, Google Play Store, and all Google applications it supports. About phone. 8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM. Here are all the languages menus. It supports global language menus. Let's have a look at the SIM card slot. Dual nano SIM card is support. Okay, let's continue to check what include in the color box. It will come one piece silicon case. One piece eject pin. One piece OnePlus logo sticker. One piece warranty certificate. One piece OnePlus 16 multi language menu. Can see. And one piece Type-C USB cable. Good quality Type-C USB cable. One piece headphone jack to Type-C adapter. And one piece charger. (5V 4 ampere 20 watt fast battery charger. 20 watt. We can send Europe adapter UK adapter, and Australian adapter according your market need. That's all. Thank you for your watching. If you like the phone, you can place the order directly